Come test drive this 2004 Acura MDX. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of an Acura are offered, including front and rear reading lights, a power seat, heated seats, heated door mirrors, rain-sensing wipers, and leather upholstery. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Acura also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.